Good day everyone, so I'm Baleña Jomarikyle and I'm here to talk about our work today, which is the chart work number 1 or the return demo. So in here scenario, we will talk about which is the ship vessel is the MV UC-METC and with a speed of 9 knots departing from Port Manamrag latitude of 13 to 45 north longitude to 104.05 east of 22 hours March 25, 2022, which will bound for Balicuatro Island at latitude 12 to 43 north longitude and 124.23 east passing Lagonoy Gulf. So our objective here or required to be answered is number 1, total distance from the Port Manamrag to Balicuatro Island, and number 2, which is determine the course of each waypoint leg, and number 3 is what will be the estimated time of arrival at Balicuatro Island, and number 4 will be what will be the speed if what will be the speed if MV UC-METC intended to arrive at Balicuatro Island at 700 hours March 26, 2022. So first, before we will start, I will show you my instruments. So these are my instruments. So first thing we have here is the Mercator chart, which is this, and the second one will be the rulers, the triangular rulers, and the next will be the eraser and 2 pencils, of course, for writing and etc., and the compass that we will use in indicating in the map. So now we will start in answering our task. So number 1, we will have to locate the location of Port Manamrag, which is located at latitude 13 to 45 minutes north, longitude at 124 to 05 minutes east. So how to locate that? First, we have to locate the 13 to 45 north, which is, this is the 13, this is the 40, and we will count from this to here. So this is 45. So we will locate that here. 45. Okay, now we located that 45. The next thing we will locate is the 124 to 05 minute of east. So to locate that, we have to find the longitude of 24 to 05 minutes of east. So this is 24, and we have to count from here to there. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is this one, this thing here. So as we say, this is the exact location of Port Manamrag, which is located here. This is the location of Port Manamrag. So the next thing we will have to find is the location of Balicuatro Island, which is at the latitude of 12 degrees and 43 minutes north and longitude of 124 to 23 degrees east, passing Lagonoy Gulf. So now we have to find the latitude of 12 degree 43 minute north. So this is the 13, so we have to find the 12. So now I have to get an assistance from a ruler because my triangular rulers are small. So we will change it here. We'll find the alternative, another, because our triangles are short. So from 24 we will go to 23. So so 1, 2, 3. So this is the location. This is the location of Balicuatro Island here. So now we have indicated the locations of Balicuatro Island. The thing is, we will put some sort of indications to locate these spots of location. So the next thing we have to do is to make a waypoint. To make a waypoint, we will think it strategically to further lessen the consumption time of the travel of the vessel. Also, we have to further think about the areas that we will go through to avoid damage in the said vessel. So we have to push this again. So first we will make a from this area to here. New waypoint is the first waypoint. Then the second waypoint will be here. So this is the first waypoint and the second waypoint. So the next thing we'll do is to further make it visualized, is I have to darken the spots. The next thing is this location here towards that location. Okay, the fix. Okay. And the next thing is this one, which is perfect. So this is the first waypoint. Which is the Balicuatro Island. So right now we have to find the total distance from Port Manamrag to Balicuatro Island to answer this answer sheet. So to find the total distance from Port Manamrag to Balicuatro Island is we have to use this compass divider. So let's start. So the next thing we have to do is to answer this answer sheet, and the question is total the distance from Port Manamrag to Balicuatro Island. So to total the distance, we have to use this compass, and in order to measure the distance, we have to do it like this. So from waypoint 1 to waypoint 2 is 9. Then from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3 is 44. So from waypoint 3 to waypoint 4 is 19. So now we have to add this all. So 9 plus 44 plus 19, so 72 nautical miles. So we will write it here. So the total distance from Port Manamrag to Balicuatro Island will be 72 nautical miles. So the next thing we will do is to determine the courses in each waypoint leg. So we have to use this, and the thing is we will do this. The point here is to locate the exact distance of this angle. Wait, we will do it again. So the far away more distance is 224. 224. Degrees. So from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, we have to find it. Okay. Waypoint 2 to waypoint 3. Wait. We have to find a right angle spot to make this right. Okay. There you go. This. So the angle is 326 degrees. 326 degrees. 326 degrees. 326 degrees. Okay. The next thing is from waypoint 3 to waypoint 4. Is 180 degrees. We will answer the waypoint 1, waypoint 2, waypoint 3, waypoint 4. 124 degrees, and for waypoint 3 we will have a 326 degrees, and for waypoint 4 we will have a 180 degrees. So next we will answer the determined course of each waypoint. So the determined course of each waypoint is waypoint 1 to 2, waypoint number 1 to 2 will be 224 degrees, and the waypoint number 2 to 3 will be 326 degrees. For waypoint number 3 to 4 will be 180 degrees. So the next thing we will answer is the number 3, and what will be the estimated time of arrival at Balicuatro Island. So we will use the formula of time over distance over will be speed. Distance over speed will be, the distance will be 72 nautical miles over 9 knots, because this is the given speed in the said questions. So we will, the estimated time will be 8 hours. 8 hours is the estimated time. So the next thing we will do is we will find the time of arrival in Balicuatro Island. So the time that they departed in Port Manamrag is 2200 hours plus 800 hours, equivalent to 300 hours, 300 hours, 300 hours minus 24 minus 24 hours, which is the overall time in a day, equals to 600 hours. So the estimated time of arrival at Balicuatro Island is 600 hours. So we will make a statement here, which will be that therefore the estimated arrival at Balicuatro Islands is at 600 hours or 6 a.m. So number 4, what will be the speed of MV UC-METC intended to arrive Balicuatro Island at 700 hours at March 6, 2022? So the first thing we will do is that in a day we have a 24 hours. So we will add the 2400 hours to 700 hours, equivalent to 3100 hours. So okay, 3100 hours subtracted to the time that they departed in Port Manamrag, which is 2200 hours. So the answer will be 900 hours. 900 hours. So in this answer, because we had the 900 hours, we will use the formula of to get the speed is distance over time. So the speed equivalent to distance over time, which will be the distance of 72 nautical miles, and the time will be 9, which stands for the 900 hours. So we will divide this, which will be 8. So therefore there is a 8 knots speed of the MV UC-METC that they intended to arrive Balicuatro Island at 700 hours at March 26. So we will write it down here. So therefore the speed of MV UC-METC intended to arrive at Balicuatro Islands at 700 hour in the date of March 26, 2022 is at the speed of 8 knots. So that's all, guys. We have already answered the following questions of chart number 1. So hello everyone, so I hope you're still here with me. So thank you for listening to my said plotting techniques, and I hope you understand what did I do with this further activity today. So I hope you learned a lot from me in locating the areas or locations that are given in the said topic, and I hope you also understand what I have to explain here a lot. So that's all for today because it's getting late, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye bye.